Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, Uno know say me come for run up and down in a this one here. Because the way you all me see, the article them a move, me have to really wonder. So Uno know say, one of the article put out this and said, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is absolutely correct in assuring the country that his government would ensure transparency and accountability in the distribution of emergency relief to victims of Hurricane Beryl destruction. You see them article, them a say Andrew Holness is absolutely correct. Amount of time we hear Andrew Holness talk about transparency. Una say Andrew Holness come out and I be transparent with nothing? Una say Andrew Holness I come out and I be transparent with nothing? That are the question me I ask. Because look how much money them get. And all know we not hear how the money go. We want that the part they be transparent. So that the article fi tell them not only delivering food should be transparent. We want to see how the money spent. We want to see that. You understand? Because them not easy, my wisdom warriors. Them we say a 2 billion spend, When I not 2 billion, a 1 million. You don't know that? I saw them come down, I saw them come down. And we not trust them with money. We not trust them because enough time they get whole heap of money and they not be transparent. Even when we are call upon them, even you have the PNP, the senator, I call upon them to be transparent, even with Cornwall Regional Hospital. They're not transparent. They're not transparent. None at all. So if I just for dish out food, just for give out food, we're not going to be transparent with. We want to see the transparency with how the money go. And that we want. And that the article them fi tell Andrew Holness. When it come to the money, they have to be transparent. Because as I said, I see Nesta Morgan yesterday. I give out food to people in the community. You understand? Where did that money come from? Did it come from the 5 million? I see Rhoda Crawford giving out 800,000 voucher. Where did that money come from? Uno still not be fully transparent. Uno still not be fully transparent. So if I just come out and just a show we say some people get some rice and mackerel and canned beef and stuff like that, it don't make no sense. And that alone we want to see. We want to see how the money spent. We want to see how the money spent. Also, Barabbas Andrew Holness said in the past there has been less than structured way in the delivery of emergency relief. Why every time this money I run off him out, he always a talk about back in the day. Him always a bring up the past. Him always a bring up the past, my wisdom warriors. You don't know why? Because it is a political point him a look. At that him a look, political points. Political points Andrew Holness a look. That Barabbas says there. Every time he go out and him attack, he always attack about in the past. Remember, Andrew Holness say 8 years in the far, At 8 years you in the far. And you do nothing for Jamaican people because every money uno get, uno spend it. Every money uno get, uno spend it. When Auditor General run out and audit the money, then realize how much money gone missing just like that without a trace. And uno the government can't give account for how the money spent. Uno can't. So this is why we want transparency. This is why. My wisdom warriors. So Barabbas Andrew Holness continue to say how it has been less than structured way in the delivery of emergency relief in the past, and that has led to criticism about the transparency, even accusation of political bias in the dispensation and distribution of relief to needy citizens. Lord Jesus. Andrew Holness, we there wait upon the transparency. We there wait upon the transparency. We want to see that. We want to see that. We want to see you. And when we are talking about transparency, we want to see it from the top. How the money spent comes straight down. How the money spent comes straight down. Because enough money wanna get, My wisdom warriors, enough money they ain't getting, That's why I don't understand how they take out GoFundMe. I don't know how they take out then GoFundMe, what they call disaster fund. Why they love money bad? I don't understand. Look how much $1 billion wanna get already. Look how much $1 billion wanna get already. And wanna still a lot more money. And I come put on this sad face, but you don't want to borrow. Imagine this is an emergency and you don't want to borrow. But when there's no emergency, una borrow. It just not make no sense to me. It just not make no sense. Nigel Clark run out and said the government can now access a payout of $2.5 billion from its Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, which is the CCRIF, policy to drive the recovery effort from the passage of Hurricane Beryl. My wisdom warriors, so una say this a money you know, the $2.5 billion will come from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility. This is from one of the multi-layered disaster risk financing framework. Una remember, in the video when I show uno with Nigel Clark when he did explain about the multi-layered and how much different type of layer disaster risk there is. Well, this is one of the money. Them have more money to get to. So that's why I don't understand how them create something like a GoFundMe. I don't understand. They get 2.5 million US. They get 4 million US. They get 300 million. They get over 1 billion. No, them get 2.5 billion plus England still I try to see how much them I go give them. I don't know they not come to the decision yet. They not decide yet. So why them a create? I don't understand. And then they have Andrew Holness come out now. I show this sad face. I put on this sad face about he don't want to go to borrow. But uno have been borrowing. What you talk about? Me don't understand this money. This money borrow money last month from the World Bank. So me don't understand. And this is an emergency. Me tell you, so not like Jamaican people, because how can this be an emergency and you talk about you don't want to borrow? You don't want to borrow, so you want taxpayer now. You already a thief taxpayer money, so you want taxpayer still come and give you no extra. And then you take it and put it in your pocket. Because in the site I go. In the site I go. And God bless the people them where their house I go fix up back. That's why I encourage everybody to send food stuff, send money to own family. You understand? Our people are people who own charity, not to Andrew Holness administration, because them never can give account. Money always go missing, and them not care, because they not come out and explain to nobody. And I guarantee when you send no money, you not go see how no money spent. Because number one, we can't even see how much in the disaster fund. We can't see that. The website where they create, we can't see. And I like the GoFundMe. You understand? Remember, when people create GoFundMe, my wisdom warriors, at least we can see the money and how much money them get. This is one where Andrew Holness create. We can't see nothing. We can't see nothing. So we not trust it. We not trust it. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I see this in the Gleaner. So the Gleaner put out and said, unless the Holness administration possesses David Copperfield conjuring skills, it is clear that the government plan reform of Jamaica Constitution is dead until after the general election due next year. Even if it could pull it off on its own, there is not sufficient time for the government to take the process through. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that little part there? Even if it could pull it off on its own, wanna hear that little part there? So you tell me, say, Andrew Holness a plan. Andrew Holness a plan for still continue with this constitution reform. Wanna say what go on? On their own, Because wanna hear what from a Gleaner, me get this, The Gleaner say, even if it could pull it off on its own, pull off what on its own? Pull off what? Pull off what on its own? And that me want know. Remember said the opposition leader no agree with Unu, you know. Remember said the opposition leader say if we not go remove the monarchy, Unu have to remove the Privy Council. Unu have to remove the Privy Council. You understand? Because a whole heap of people want justice and cannot get justice. It is best it go to the CCJ. It is best to move it from the Privy Council and bring it over to the CCJ. So me not understand how this come out in the article and them a talk about even if it could pull it off on its own. Even who couldn't pull it off on its own. Andrew Holness can pull this off on its own. Andrew Holness administration cannot pull this off on its own. If them do that, them a break the law of the lands. Wanna hear me? Them a break the law of the lands. And remember, we know say Andrew Holness the Barabbas is a law land breaker. We all know that. You get me? So when I see this in the article, I talk about even if they can pull it off. And also on our plan for push through this constitution and make Jamaica be a republic. And that on our plan for do. And that on our plan for do. Jamaican people. I want to wake up now, you know. I want to wake up now. Because they see what them a plan for. God I go wipe this out, you know. God I go wipe this out. Why Andrew Holness want to be president for Jamaica? Why Andrew Holness want to be president for Jamaica? Why you want to be president? Why you want Jamaica to turn republic and still a whole and pan the Privy Council? And that we want to come and explain to the people and tell the people them the real truth, Barabbas. And that you need to do. Come and tell the Jamaican people the real truth. Because one want to push through on the first stages. And then go to the second stages and turn Jamaica in a republic. It not go work. Because me want to know how we not go turn Jamaica in a republic. Yeah? And still be a part of the Privy Council. Why? A whole heap of youth right now in a prison, you know. Whole heap of youth right now in a prison we need justice. Where they not get no justice. Then they are prison innocently. You understand? Enough for them right now. And all of them wanted to go to the CCJ because at least they have a chance and they stand a chance when it's with the CCJ. But they don't stand no chance with the Privy Council. Remember, you know? Remember they can't afford it. Where them are going to find 6 million from? Where them are going to get 6 million from? I'm going to talk truth. Where them are going to get 6 million from? The people, they want justice. And there's a reason why Andrew Holness do not want to remove from the Privy Council. And Jamaican people no need to go read and get some understanding. Because Andrew Holness administration is out here giving misinformation. They are. Them out here give misinformation. And that is not right. That is not right. You understand me? So if you go and get some knowledge for yourself, go and do research and understand this thing. Understand this thing because anyhow Andrew Holness turn Jamaica in a republic. Dog, near Musapa. Jamaican people, wise up. Wise up. No make when Andrew Holness come around and smile with you know. Do not catch cold feet with that. You understand? Listen to me. If Andrew Holness want Jamaica to be a republic, the Privy Council have to move. But he don't want Privy Council to go. Because he is a part of it and he might get 4 million, over 4 million every year. And that, remember, you know, Andrew, listen, the only person that benefit from Privy Council is Andrew Holness. Go and read it and not hide. England no hide nothing, you know. England no hide nothing from them people. You go and check it out on yourself and get an understanding. Andrew Holness a whole and pan Privy Council because he might get money every year. That's why. Remember say Andrew Holness go pledge allegiance, you know. Sometimes when me hear una talk about una cuss about Mark Golding, una stupid. Enough of una Jamaican, una stupid. Enough of una have no sense. Mark Golding don't ban a England. Mark Golding ban a Jamaica. Mark Golding ban a Jamaica. So when una talk about Mark Golding, listen, the king no business with Mark Golding. Mark Golding no ban a England. It come like una no sense. Not because they say their color is like that means that they no know nothing. No know nothing. Una make people look down upon we and laugh at we. Una Jamaican people. No for una me a chat. Cause una still not have no sense. No for una still don't have no sense. Andrew Holness is the one that pledge allegiance. He's the one that take a oath. Andrew Holness is the one that take a oath and pledge allegiance, Jamaican people. Uno go and check it out. Andrew Holness are the one who answer to the king, not Mark Golding. So not because Mark Golding father come from England means that Mark Golding born in Jamaica. Him not have nothing to do with Britain. Uno for use on a brain. A man will take a oath. And a man will pledge allegiance. And is part of a privy council. Andrew uno for pre. Uno just make Andrew Holness a trick uno. Uno just make, listen, you see this thing where Andrew Holness even come out about fake news. It is a political strategy. But people now read between the lines. It is a political strategy. Jamaica, me want to know, wake up. Wake up. Because Andrew Holness, the Barabbas, want to have we under captivity. You know see what go on. You know what go happen? You know go realize when everything is too late and then there's nothing you can do about it again. There's nothing. I don't know why my spirit is so upset because me can't believe in a 2024 enough of still not understand. When me say write under certain comment and make certain comment and go under certain post and write certain things, me can't believe me really feel sorry for respectfully, no for me really pity respectfully, seriously, me can't believe it. It is very unfortunate. It is really sad. Labor right. Really done, really done, so need help. Talk about Mark Golding, look so stupid when talk about Mark Golding. When have Andrew Holness are the one who take oath to king and queen. For use on the brain. Use on the brain. Use on the brain. Anyhow, Andrew Holness make Jamaica be republic. Problem. Jah know my wisdom warriors. Sometimes I tell you, say, you know, some of them then just upset my spirit. You understand? Because me can't believe, say them a defend Barabbas administration and look how many things this man has done. Look at the healthcare. Andrew Holness are the same one will come out and talk about the healthcare. Him are the same one will come out and talk. He acknowledge everything we are going in the healthcare, but still, they still take the money where they get from Europe and pocket it. You don't say what I want because, listen, from the money can't give account for. I have to pocket the money, get pocket. Come on, seriously. This is really sad. But I want to not take in this.
I've passed the stage of trying to, or needing to win political popularity and favor. Doesn't matter to me anymore. I have to start to think about legacy. What will Jamaica be? Will it be the same as I came and saw it? I can't let Jamaica be the same.
Una hear Andrew Holness. I wonder if una listen good to what Andrew Holness just say. I wonder if una really listen good, my wisdom warriors. And he always put on the balling voice. Why him always do that? Him always come out and a crackle up in voice. Why him always do that? It just don't make no sense to me. Him same one when he get the money. When him get the money, he do all type of things and I care about the Jamaican people. Come out and I cry. Can't cry, I'm a cry, say I'm a cry at the end. Yo, Andrew Holness, the Barabbas. Me I tell you no man, a 1 in a million man. A real chopper, me said, listen, you see their name? You see that you to give that the name they say chopper chop? A real thing in my wisdom warriors. I really chopper them, The whole of them administration is about chopping. So when me see them go off of the little locals them, yeah, we are chopped too. Me can't believe say Andrew Holness, but then again, they say thief not like fishy thief with long bags. So I don't know what that mean. But them a big scammer. You hear what I'm say? You hear what I'm say? In past popularity, in no business with nothing else. In no business with nothing else. You know say what I go on? So when we the Jamaican people are go wise up, me think say una did take time and fully wake up, but it has come to my attention that no for una still asleep. But remember, you know, una go always remember hot off of the press. Una go always remember when me tell you stuff to go out and protest. Una go always remember when me come and plead to una and beg you. So don't trust Andrew Wellness. But una go learn the hard way because una no listen. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about this. Tell me if una agree with Andrew. Tell me if una agree with Andrew Wellness. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. And also feel free to contribute to my channel. You can do so by blessing up my PayPal. The link I got in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.